Video pala yan. Hello! Hello, how is my beautiful daughter Annie? Here is your daddy. How young are you now? 44 years old. September 20, no? September 20, birthday mo na anak. Thank you very much for your cake. Padala ka pala ng cake eh. Ito, hindi pa kinatay. Iuwi na lang sa bahay mamaya.
Hello, Ani! Happy birthday! Maraming salamat doon sa tarpaulin, ha?
Hindi makalimutan ni Johnny.
Ay, tarpaulin namin ni Reggie.
Johnny, Saturday Night Fever.
Happy birthday! Happy 44th birthday! O, niliwanag nila yan. Yung 44 daw, hindi height. Yun daw ay age.
Akala mo si Eddie pala ikwan na? 46 na? Tapos si
Ako nga,
Dado
50 na,
48.
Hindi ko nga mapigil 50
Nag-iisipan ko.
Oh, wala.
Ilang taon na ba yung bunso ko? Ako 60. 46 na pala.
Happy birthday, Annie! Wala kumuha sa akin eh. Okay!
Thank you darling for the cake ha.
Bye, thank you.
Love you.
Love you.
Have fun, have fun.